morning! The sun is shining, a new day is dawning. Ever wake up, look in the mirror, ready to greet the day, but instead, you see puffy, swollen under eyes staring back? Those unwelcome bags can really put a damper on your morning. You're not alone. Many of us experience this. It's a common beauty concern. A very common one, actually. One that can throw off your whole morning vibe, making you feel less confident and ready to face the world. Maybe you didn't sleep well, tossing and turning all night. Or perhaps you indulged in a salty dinner last night. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, it just happens. Our bodies are complex, and sometimes they just retain a little extra fluid. Splashing cold water or gently patting the area helps a bit, providing a temporary, refreshing sensation. But often the puffiness lingers, stubbornly refusing to disappear completely. It can mess with your makeup, making it harder to achieve that flawless look and ultimately impact your confidence. But here's the good news. There's hope. You don't need expensive creams or fancy gadgets promising overnight miracles. Simple, natural remedies, often found right in your kitchen, are often the most effective. They can work wonders, providing gentle and effective relief. Today, I'll share my 2 favorite tricks that I've personally found incredibly helpful. They are perfect for tackling that unwanted morning puffiness. They're easy to incorporate into your routine, affordable for everyone, and incredibly soothing for your delicate under-eye area. Let's embrace the reality. It's time to accept and love ourselves as we are. Puffy eyes are normal, a natural part of being human, and totally manageable with a little self-care. It's not about chasing an unattainable standard of perfection. It's about caring for yourself in small, kind ways, showing yourself the love and attention you deserve. Ready to turn that puffy-eyed frown upside down and start your day with a smile? Let's dive in and reclaim your bright eyes, naturally and effectively. We've all been there, waking up and noticing those telltale signs of puffiness around our eyes. It's a common experience, but have you ever stopped to wonder why it happens? So, why do we wake up with puffy eyes? The skin around our eyes is thin and delicate. It's actually the thinnest skin on our entire body. This delicate nature makes it particularly prone to swelling and showing signs of fluid retention. Overnight, while we're lying down, fluid can pool under our eyes due to gravity. This is a natural process, as our bodies redistribute fluids during sleep. This pooling effect is amplified especially if we've indulged in salty foods the night before. Dehydration can also contribute, or if we simply didn't drink enough water throughout the day, our bodies tend to retain more fluid to compensate. Allergies, whether seasonal or related to specific irritants, lack of sleep, which disrupts our body's natural processes, and even genetics, meaning it might just run in your family, can play a role in morning eye puffiness. As we age, the tissues and muscles supporting our eyes naturally weaken, losing some of their elasticity and firmness. This weakening makes puffiness more common and sometimes more pronounced as the years go by. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, it's just the way we're built, a part of our unique facial structure. It's important to remember that puffy eyes aren't usually a sign of poor health or a serious medical condition. More often than not, they're a normal and temporary response to everyday lifestyle factors and our body's natural processes. Understanding the underlying cause of your puffy eyes is the first step, as it helps us find the right solution and tailor our approach. Maybe your body's telling you to hydrate more consistently throughout the day, ensuring your skin stays plump and healthy. Or perhaps it's a gentle nudge to go easy on the salt, especially in the evenings, to minimize fluid retention. Or maybe it's just a reminder that we're all human, and these little imperfections are a part of what makes us unique and beautiful. The key is to work with your body, understanding its signals and providing it with the support it needs, not fighting against its natural tendencies. With a little knowledge about the causes and some gentle, effective remedies, you can tackle puffiness and feel more confident in your own skin. Let's explore some simple yet effective strategies to help reduce puffiness and brighten your under-eye area. Let's see how. First up, green tea bags. Yes, the same ones you drink. Green tea is packed with caffeine and antioxidants, making it perfect for depuffing eyes. Caffeine constricts blood vessels, reducing swelling fast. Antioxidants calm irritation and soothe the skin. It's a centuries-old remedy that's gentle, natural, and affordable. Think of green tea bags as tiny spa treatments for your eyes. Let's see how to use them for instant relief. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to refresh tired-looking eyes? Here's a fantastic solution using something you probably already have in your kitchen: green tea bags. This simple remedy is especially effective for puffy eyes. those unwelcome signs of fatigue or a late night. To start, steep 2 green tea bags in a cup of hot water. Let them sit for about 3–5 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to be released. The warmth helps to draw out all the goodness from the tea leaves. Once steeped, gently squeeze out any excess liquid. You don't want them dripping. Then place the tea bags in the refrigerator to chill for about 10–20 minutes. The cooling effect is key to reducing puffiness. Now, find a comfortable spot where you can lie back and fully relax. Close your eyes and gently place a cool tea bag over each eyelid. Make sure they are comfortably positioned. Relax in this position for 10–15 minutes. This is your time to unwind. Listen to calming music, practice a simple meditation, or just focus on your breathing. Let the tea bags work their magic. After the time is up, carefully remove the tea bags from your eyes. Gently pat any leftover tea essence into your delicate skin around the eyes. This allows the remaining antioxidants to be absorbed. Now take a look in the mirror. You should notice a visible difference. Your eyes should look brighter, more refreshed, and significantly less puffy. The green tea helps to reduce inflammation and constrict blood vessels, leading to a more awake appearance. This simple ritual is not only quick and effective, but also incredibly soothing. It's a perfect little self-care moment. The best part? No fancy or expensive products are needed. Just a few minutes of your time and a couple of green tea bags. It's a truly accessible beauty hack. Consider making it a regular part of your morning routine for a consistently refreshed and revitalized start to your day. So, will you give this simple green tea bag remedy a try tomorrow morning? Remember, sometimes the simplest and most natural solutions are truly the most effective. Now that we've explored the magic of green tea bags, let's move on to another fantastic kitchen remedy that can work wonders for your skin. Next up, cucumber ice cubes. Cucumbers are 95% water, hydrating and soothing for delicate under-eye skin. They're rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help reduce swelling. When frozen, cucumbers' benefits combine with cold therapy for instant relief. The icy temperature constricts blood vessels, quickly reducing puffiness. It's like a spa treatment and a wake-up call in one. Making cucumber ice cubes is easy and fun. Let's get started. Here's how to make cucumber ice cubes. Wash half a cucumber, peel if you like, chop and blend into a puree. Pour the puree into an ice cube tray and freeze. Once frozen, pop out a cube when needed. Always wrap the ice cube in a thin, soft cloth. Never apply directly to skin. Gently glide the wrapped cube under your eyes for 1–2 minutes per side. The cold and cucumber work together to depuff and refresh. Store extra cubes in a freezer bag for easy access. This DIY remedy is all natural, gentle, and effective. Perfect for mornings after late nights, allergies, or travel. It's a quick, invigorating way to look and feel your best. Try it and see the difference for yourself. Now let's wrap up. Now you have 2 easy, natural remedies for puffy eyes: green tea bags and cucumber ice cubes. These simple rituals are more than quick fixes. They're moments of self-care. What are your favorite tricks for puffy eyes? Have you tried these methods? Share your tips and stories in the comments below. Remember, beauty is about feeling good and caring for yourself. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. Your support helps me keep sharing content that makes you feel your best. Got questions? Ask away in the comments. I love hearing from you. Be gentle with yourself, even on puffy-eyed mornings. Until next time, take care and keep shining.